Okay, guys, here's an UncleCow EDC update. Um, for those of you wondering, uh, my my usual setup when I go out, okay, looks like looks something like this. Okay, my handkerchief, okay, from Fly Hanks from Instagram. Wallet. I need to get a classier wallet. I know. I really want one. Sometimes I'll carry a locking folder these days. It depends on where I'm going, what I'm doing, people. You know, uh, some kind of self-defense tool, obviously. And again, depends on where I'm going. If I only carry an impact device or have some sort of defensive knife on me as well. It really depends. Um, and I've been carrying this from RG2 Leatherworks from Instagram. Okay, I'm sorry, I had the name written down just so I wouldn't forget it. Here's a titanium, and in this I have my titanium pry bar from Chuck Richards Knives. Um, this I carry just to open clamshell packaging if I need to while out, or maybe something a little bit more involved. Works well worth the money. And then a Victorinox Pioneer, my favorite Victorinox model by far. Again, that all is just so handy. You can do a lot with it. Okay, and in the back, he says it's for cards and cash. I just keep my DMK USA folding comb in here for now. Works just in case I need to make my hair look decent. And if I need something a bit extra, this was my dad's Leatherman Wave. Okay, and I have the pocket clip on there as well. And a lot of these are thanks to Flint Steel Survival. So, dude, if you see this, thanks. So yeah, guys, that's my usual setup. When I don't have to go without a bag, and if you guys want, I'll do a bag setup as well. Leave a comment if you want to see that, and of course, my cell phone. This is just an iPhone 7. You know. Checking messages. Yeah, I take pictures with this too. I'm on Instagram, UncleCow too, if you want to follow me on there. So there's that. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Again, let me know if you want to see a bag update. I've been taking my iPad with me a lot of the time because I need to either research when I'm out or take notes if I'm in a meeting with some state person. So there's that. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That is the UncleCow EDC update. I wanted to let you guys know about these companies on Instagram. Okay, Fly Hanks and RG2 Leatherworks. Check them out. And Chuck Richards Knives. Great pry bar. Worth the money. Tell them I sent you. Tell them all I sent you. Okay. Yeah, and most everything else is packed up Oh yeah, and my brother and sister-in-law got me a pair of wireless headphones for the holidays. So when I have my iPad, obviously I have these, right? Um, so yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna need to make up a house evacuation kit soon. When we show the house, I'm gonna have to be able to grab my iPad and other things and go. I might do a video on that just for fun. Let me know if you want to see that. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and like I would say, don't do anything I wouldn't do.